Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This one's not too special, just a little Goodra that I was gonna stop at like the colored sketch stage, but then I recently excuse me, the weather is just so gray, dark. But yeah, I got these new brushes and I tested them out yesterday and I liked them, so I wanted to keep playing with them, and that's what I did. I like how they blend. They're like not too intense, but also not so flimsy and weak that I'm like pushing super hard to get them to work. I know all of them can be like adjusted with settings, but like, I don't know, it just feels different. It feels kind of almost like the water brush thing. I don't know, it's a unique brush, and I always like a flat brush. But yeah, I don't really have too much to say about this, so I'll just let you guys enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.